Okay, y'all, I'm back with part 2. I'm gonna have to pick the phone up and show y'all some things. One step y'all not gonna see because I've done it already is I just shredded the chicken up, so that's that. And I have forgot to add onion, so I'm gonna add that now. It's not too late to add it now because it's gonna cook in the same amount of time of because the rice gonna take a minute. It's gonna cook, so it's good. Let me just grab a cutting board. Now for this onion, y'all. Now for this onion, y'all, it's a fucking gnat flying around. Well, shit, they say we eat 500 pounds of bugs each year anyway, so whatever. So y'all, this is our onion. Our onion. Okay, so be careful because this knife is sharp. And I'm going to use this whole thing. Just move these off the top for some time. Get these little onion pieces things off. Alright, y'all. So this onion, I'm gonna show y'all how it's. I mean, if I had my tripod, it would be a little better right now, but I might be able to sit it this way. Let me see. Hold on now. So y'all can at least see. That's gonna be in the way. So maybe not if I do it like that. Let me see if y'all can see. Okay. Alright, y'all. Y'all got to forgive me. Like I said, things are eventually gonna get better with these videos, and we're gonna really rock it out. But okay. So this, you wanna peel that off, of course, obviously. And then sometimes it's be like so thick on the onion, so it'll be hard to get off. You know, which is a whole mess. Okay, let me just throw this away. Oh, hold on, y'all. Alright. So with this onion, slice into it like that. You can do it more than once. You don't have to. So, y'all know I like onions. I say it all the time. Onions, garlic, yes. Now I'm also gonna add one slight different thing that Mama does. She adds this, but in powder form. But I'm gonna add a little minced garlic, just a little. Probably about a teaspoonful, maybe a little more. Also just cut them onions up like so. And then I like to use as much onion as I can. So those little pieces just get that like that, and that is that. And then we take this piece. Y'all. So I'm just gonna sit there. I don't have time to be going through trash. And if y'all wonder, I threw that onion away and I didn't wash my hands. I had to touch the trash can because we have with the foot thing where it opens it. Oh, getting this off here is a mess, child. Little thick skin. I don't even know what they call that, but y'all. Alright, let's just scooch those on over. They got a little bit of this on it, but that's fine. Because you can't, I tried to get it all off. You know, the cutting board, but things happen. I'm gonna wait before I do that. I'm gonna slice them to it one time. Like I said, you can do it more than once, and I do sometimes. But for this, it don't have to be no real fine dice for this. I want to still be able to see my onions a little bit in it. So how I'm doing it is just fine. for this particular recipe, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all! Did y'all see the Pussycat Dolls on whatever that Simon Cowell show is? America's Got Talent. That's the show. I thought they did really well. I'm glad they're back. They're not fully back though, and I say that because the girl Melanie, the black girl, is not in the group, and that's because she don't want to be a doo-wop pop girl. Hold on, y'all. The pan slid. Hold on. Wait a minute, y'all, because I don't want this to... Let me just level it between the two. Okay. But yeah, y'all. So she ain't back. But I thought they sound good. Well, you know, Nicole, because it's like Nicole and them. But anywho. Yeah, they sounded good or whatever. And let me know what y'all thought if y'all saw them on there. I saw it via YouTube. I had no idea. But yeah. So I put my onion in there. I'm gonna get rid of that board because I don't need to chop up anything else. So I put the onion in. I'm just gonna mix the onion around in there so it can be evenly distributed in our pan. Like I said, my mama, she didn't do this next step, but I'm gonna do it just kind of further, just to give more of the garlic flavor. Now, one thing I don't remember is if she put bell pepper in it. That part I can't remember. She may have, but I'm not going to. I mean, not that I wouldn't, but I just with this particular recipe, I don't think she did, so I'm not going to. Because normally I can remember if she put bell pepper and onion in something, because that's something that we cooked with on a constant. So just that's probably enough. That looked like that was probably about a tablespoon worth. So that's enough for me for now. And the rice. Now that's an ample amount of liquid in here, so let me find me a measuring cup. I see standing on the trendsetter. This is a measuring cup. This is Sugar Bears. He brought these. As you can tell, we're animal people, and he's really animal people because he got a lot of animal themed things. So I'm like, it's clean, but I thought I cleaned something. I just pulled it out the cabinet. I know it's clean because I washed it. As a matter of fact, I know it's clean because not only did I wash it, but I had Sugar Bear put some dishes up for me so I could wash the next batch the other day, and this was one of the dishes that he put up there. So that's how I know it's clean. So I was like, what the hell is that? But I was seeing things, y'all. I really was. So this is a cup. That's a cup, y'all. So we're probably gonna do like a cup and a half. Just mix that around a little bit. No, we're gonna do 2 cups. We're gonna do 2 cups because this is a lot of liquid. I know rice does soak up liquid. I know that. But still, I want to make sure it soaks it up enough. So my mama used to make this. I hate when sometimes you get like something in the rice and they be like, what the fuck is this? That ain't a piece of rice. But when my mama used to make it, it used to be no liquid in the pan. And that's what I want. This is one dish where it don't have to be a lot of liquid in the pan. This is that dish that you don't need liquid. You want it to be, I mean, it can have like a little bit, but you don't want it like soupy. So let me I'm gonna just sit that in there for right now, because our rice container has brown rice in it. I don't want to mix the two, and we got another container. I just gotta find the lid for it, and I'm gonna put the white rice in. Hold on, y'all. I almost tripped again. Alright, y'all, so look at this broccoli. I'm also going to put a couple pats of butter in this. So our broccoli. I got one pack. This was 10 for 10. It was on sale. They had it 10 for 10. Broccoli is never 10 for 10. They'll have every vegetable except for, well, no. You know, I have gotten broccoli 10 for 10 before, but it's not on 10 for 10 always. Like, they always have corn 10 for 10, peas 10 for 10, mixed vegetables 10 for 10, but broccoli won't always be a part of that. And then they never have lima beans 10 for 10, and I love lima beans. Some people don't like them. I love them. Y'all, so I just wanna mix that up. Like I said, it's going back in the oven. Let me throw this away right quick. Be right back, y'all. Let me throw this away. Okay, so that's that, y'all. Now, I told y'all we was gonna add something else. So, I mean, some more of. We're gonna add some more of this. More of that. Saw a little piece of the thing I pulled off inside there. We don't want that. Just bring us because you want that rice and stuff to be flavored. So you can go slightly heavy with it, but don't go over ridiculous with it. But you want that flavor. And so mix it up a little bit more. Okay. That's flavor, y'all. That's flavor. Now I told y'all we were gonna take a little more garlic. Even though I added that what's called, but y'all know I like garlic, so just a little bit of the powder and some pepper. Alright, so there's some more pepper in there. Now, y'all, like I said, if you're not a huge fan of garlic, but you still use it, you don't want to like, you don't have to add as much as I added. I totally understand. If you don't, that's fine. You have to do what's best for you in your kitchen and what feeds your flavor fancy. Now, as far as I'm gonna put the phone up to my face in just a second, but I want y'all to see if we can just stir this up again so we can put it back in the oven. I'm thinking I might need to put a little bit more rice. Just, I want to make sure it's enough. And I want to make sure it's all, like 95% of that liquid is soaked up. So, a little bit more rice. But what I'm saying is, okay. What was I saying? 'Cause I got lost. Oh, yeah. You don't have to add nearly as much garlic as I did. And like for this recipe, I wouldn't veer off the seasonings. Now, the bouillon, you can use any type of chicken bouillon, but this one, I got this one because they had a thing of the cubes, the Kroger brand cubes, which was on sale, but it more in here versus the jar of the cubes. So that's why I got that one. And then my sister uses that one as well. So I think that's going to be my favorite brand of bouillon cubes is Weiler's, but they didn't have them, and Weiler's is rarely on sale. So anywho, but this is, so that rice gonna cook and the onions gonna cook and the broccoli's gonna cook. It's all gonna come together, and then that's it. So trying to think. Oh yeah, so this is the part 2 of the video and whatnot, and it's about to get uploaded. And I'm gonna come back after I make the plate and just do like a quick just video of me plating it up, and then that'll be part 3 of this. And yeah, so once again, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with any and everyone that you know. We are trying to make something happen on the channel. I keep saying it, and I'm gonna keep saying it until it happens, because hey, the good book says if you speak it, it shall be so. So yeah, I shall return once this is done. It's be about another half hour or so, and that'll be what it is. Then it'll be time to eat. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Deuces.